Go. Go. Do what you were doing. Hurry up. Go. Come on, Cole.
Wait up, boy.
Go. 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 No, leave the fishies alone. Cole, you're going to fall in there. Get out. Come on. Cole.
Go.
He's going to try and walk on the water, the water. Come on, Cole. Cole. Go. Look at his feet. Cole.